is for apple, so shiny and red. B is for ball that bounces ahead. C is for cat with a soft fluffy tail. D is for duck who quacks without fail. E is for elephant, big and so strong. F is for fish swimming all day long. G is for giraffe, tall and so grand. H is for horse running over the land. Oh, oh, oh. Sing the alphabet song, come along and sing along. Oh, oh, oh. Learning new things as we go along. Oh, oh, oh. From A to Z, it's as easy as can be. Oh, oh, oh. So let's sing the alphabet, come and join my team. A is for apple, so shiny and red. B is for ball that bounces ahead. C is for cat with a soft fluffy tail. D is for duck who quacks without fail. E is for elephant, big and so strong. F is for fish swimming along. G is for grapes that hang on the vine. H is for hat, looking so fine. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet. J is for jumped with both of your feet. K is for kite that flies in the sky. L is for lion who roars loud and high. M is for monkey who loves to climb. N is for nest built one twig at a time. O is for octopus deep in the sea. P is for penguin as cute as can be. Q is for queen with a crown on her head. R is for rainbow with colors so spread. S is for sun that shines so bright. T is for train that speeds out of sight. U is for umbrella for rain or for shh. Alphabet adventure, come along and play. Let's learn new words every single day. A, B, C, D, we're on a journey.